Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with US Bank for credit card alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the US Bank official website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the enroll button to create one. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information and set up your account. Once logged in, look for the Account Services tab in the main menu. Click on that Account Alerts option from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of available alerts for credit cards. Select the specific alerts you want to receive, such as transaction alerts, payment reminders, or fraud alerts. Adjust your notification preferences, choosing between email, text messages, or both. After making your selections, review your choices to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Save button to confirm your alert settings. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your alerts are now set up. To modify or disable alerts in the future, return to the Account Alerts section. Follow the same process to make any changes to your preferences. Log out of your account once you are finished to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.